Kathy Nichols, and I'm a lifelong artist, painter, and teacher. I help students of all ages tap into their creativity with watercolor. Watercolor is a great way to express yourself, and it's easy to get started and fun to do. My watercolor lessons are designed for beginners of all ages. No theory and not too technical. Just follow along with me. I hope you join me to learn how to paint with watercolor. I can't wait to see your paintings. Welcome to our new review series. Today, we'll take a look at some new watercolor brushes. I've been using my old ones for over 10 years, and they are starting to lose their shape and ability to hold paint and water. So I went shopping on Amazon and bought a 10-piece watercolor brush set and a 3-piece mop set. This video is not sponsored by the brush makers or Amazon, and I paid for the brushes myself. Nor did I receive commission if you buy them. The links to buy them are in the description. One of my goals is to show you how affordable watercolor can be. In my Best Materials for Beginning Watercolor Artists video, I showed that paints and brushes last a really long time. The 10-piece Artegria set costs only $24 and the XDT mops just $17. If they last 5 years, they'll cost less than $1 a month to use. Although I bought 13 brushes, we'll only use 4 in this review and in our upcoming lessons. Using the same 4 types keep the lessons simple and consistent. The 4 types are liner, round with pointed tip, flat, and mop. You might ask why not just buy the 4 brushes separately? Because they cost about the same or more as these sets. Plus, you can use the extra ones to experiment with in your own paintings. Today, we'll review the brushes and paint a picture with them. So let's check them out. Here are the Old Faithful brushes. This is a 10-piece brush set. It comes in a cellophane wrapper. It has a nice protective case which you can use as a brush holder on your table and as a carry case when you travel. There's also a nice soft pouch. In the case is a thank you note from Artegria and an instruction sheet that has links to helpful care and usage tips. There are also instructions for preparing the brushes for first use. On the back page are descriptions of the sizes and shapes of each brush. The bristles are synthetic squirrel and the ferrules are rust resistant. The brushes each have their own protective cellophane sleeve. Each also has a plastic tube that protects the bristles during shipment. The brushes have tapered ferrules with double crimps to hold the bristles in place without pinching them and a medium-length handle that's comfortable to hold. Here are all 10 of the Artegria brushes. We have some new mop brushes too. They are made by XDT and this set has sizes 8, 10, and 12. Their bristles are made from natural goat hair. Each one is wrapped in a cellophane sleeve. Here are all our new brushes, 10 watercolor and 3 mops. Now we'll pick the basic 4 we'll use in our upcoming lessons. The liner will be the number 6, the round with pointed tip will be the number 10, the flat will be the 3/4 inch, and we'll use the number 8 mop. This brush has a nice tip to paint fine lines, a good belly to hold sufficient paint and water, a tapered ferrule that doesn't pinch the belly, 2 crimps that hold it firmly in place, and a medium-length handle. To clean the glue out, rinse them well under a faucet while working the bristles with your fingers. Now let's test the brushes for thick and thin lines and coverage. Let's try the liner. Applying more pressure makes a thicker line, and light pressure makes a thinner line. Now for the round with pointed tip. You can use the flat brush to make wide strokes and the tip to make thin lines and straight marks. Here's the mop. You can wash large areas with it and fill in smaller areas too. Now, let's use the brushes in a painting lesson. After inspecting, testing, and painting a detailed picture with them, I think they will serve me nicely for years to come. Time and use will show if they do. I'll use them in lessons from now on, and you can see how they perform over time. Thanks for watching today's review. I hope you found it interesting and helpful. I'll be reviewing other affordable watercolor materials in the months to come. Please subscribe, like, and tap the bell. Take care, stay safe, and see you soon.